Last year we did this Mustang and we put Ceramic Pro Gold on it. Just want to show you guys the performance before we do the annual inspection, and we can compare it once again to the ZL1 that was recently coated 2 weeks ago that's curing. But this is the performance of the coating before we do anything to it for the inspection. A year later, still performing as it should. Let's do this again. 1 year later, still performing as it should. Protecting the vehicle, still hydrophobic. Once again, we'll compare it to the ZL1 we coated 2 weeks ago. Doing its job.